Understanding creative gift, an English language explainer. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, creative gift. This phrase is not just about physical presence, but encompasses a broader, more abstract meaning. Stay with us to uncover the layers of this interesting expression. The phrase, creative gift, consists of two words, creative and gift. Creative refers to the use of imagination or original ideas to create something. It's often associated with artistic or intellectual inventiveness. On the other hand, a gift is something given willingly to someone without expecting anything in return. It can also refer to a natural ability or talent. In this section, we delve into the various interpretations of creative gift. Primarily, it can mean 1. A gift that is imaginative or unique. This could be a handcrafted item or something that's not bought off a shelf, but created with personal touch and thoughtfulness. 2. An innate talent or ability. This interpretation leans towards recognizing someone's natural flair or aptitude, especially in creative fields like music, art, writing, etc. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. The hand-painted mural she gave me for my birthday was truly a creative gift. 2. His ability to write captivating stories is his creative gift. It's interesting to note that the concept of a creative gift can vary across cultures. In some, it might be more focused on tangible, handmade items, while in others, it might emphasize more on innate talents and abilities. We hope this video has shed light on the nuanced meaning of creative gift. It's a phrase that beautifully blends the realms of creativity and generosity, whether it's in the form of a physical present or an innate talent. Remember, language is not just about words, but the ideas and cultures they represent. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.